Good morning everybody. Well, it's morning for me, it might not be for you. We are on day 2 of the Advent, so I'm going to jump straight in and open my day 2 from Siobhan's Crafts. So the one we got yesterday was Obsidian. And this one, oh wow, I like this. This one is Smoky Quartz. So that is absolutely beautiful. Obviously the black and the grey and the white and the flecks, that's been dyed so beautifully. Absolutely love that. I'm absolutely loving that. So again, that is Smoky Quartz, because obviously it is a gemstones theme for the Advent this year. So we'll pop that. So that's day 1 and day 2 so far. And I will see you again tomorrow for day number 3.